choo-choo.
Taylor, where are we going?
All right.
Where are we going?
Choo-choo.
Going to ride the choo-choo train?
Uh-huh.
Yay! inJOY. What's up, everybody? It's been a while, but we are here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Going choo-choo train. And then
Tell 'em.
going choo-choo train.
Going on a choo-choo train ride. We're here at home in Charlotte. It's a beautiful Saturday.
Hey, Taylor.
Can mommy talk for 1 second?
I know you're
Just 1
excited.
second. Okay, so yeah, it's a beautiful Saturday here in Charlotte, and we yesterday, I believe, was the first day that the new transit system has opened up. So we are about to go. They got like something going on with like the kids and, you know, letting them ride the train for free today, and we're gonna go check it out. I think this is a pretty big thing because the transit from where we live is probably maybe like 13 minutes away, but if we ever want to go downtown and we don't want to drive, I mean, or uptown as they call it here in Charlotte, then we could just hop on the transit and it'll take us all the way down there, you know, for games and, you know, all that area. So I think it's going to be something that's really pretty cool. Definitely as far as like helping people out, you know, who may not have transportation to get around.
They're probably working in the
that's
city also.
working, yeah, in the city. So this is something huge.
Helps
and they
college students too, because it runs right through the campus.
Right. So we're gonna spend a little time doing that today, and we wanted to bring you all along. And I also want to say shout out to our new subscribers, y'all. I've seen them come in, and I truly appreciate the support. Taylor, can you say thank you to our new subscribers?
Say thank you.
Thank you for
subscribing.
Say thank you for subscribing.
Thank you
for hopping on the choo-choo train.
Yes. Hopping on the inJOY train. We really appreciate it. And so yeah, that's where we're headed now, and we want to bring you all along. That's where we're going. That's the parking deck over there, and there are already some people waiting. Yes, they're waiting.
Today's St. Patrick's Day, and Taryn has on green.
I have on green.
Nobody else.
I'm the only one that has on green today.
If somebody pinches
Taylor may
me,
have some green in her shirt.
then I'm pinching back.
You can pinch them back if somebody pinches you.
Whoa.
Somebody is super excited, y'all. She woke up.
Green.
She woke up talking about this train, so I hope that all goes well with it and we'll get to ride it.
Why is the camera on me?
Because you're so handsome.
I gotta wait on it.
Thank you, but oh man, I would love to have gotten a shot of that of him going in the city barbecue.
Chicken, he going in city barbecue.
The cow was going in city barbecue.
So yeah, they got some of like the Chick-fil-A cow out here. And so we saw him walking away from like everything that's going on over there, and he walked over here to City Barbecue. We wish we would have gotten that on film.
He's taking his lunch break at City Barbecue.
Maybe he has to go to the restroom.
Nah, he's hungry.
Eat more chicken. Are you ready, Taylor?
Yes, you ready now that mascot ain't out here.
Look at, she's wiping it off.
What? You the one with the turn.
So y'all, we made it to the transit and we are waiting on our train to come. And so they have a lot of stuff going on over there. They gave out like snack bags and they got face painting, snow cones, free coffee from Panera Bread. So
We would've got some more stuff, but Taylor wasn't having it.
yeah, Taylor was not feeling like the robot character.
On that side of the street, we ain't going over.
Yeah, look at her face. She watching them too.
Which is weird because she's normally.
She wants to show you a whistle. Yep, she got a train whistle.
She normally is good with that type of stuff.
Yeah,
Today, that robot
she was not
weird.
feeling that robot today.
She used to Roby.
As soon as like they came up, yeah, her eyes locked with the robot and she just started crying. But yeah, we're a ways away from him now, so I think she's more relaxed and hopefully she'll enjoy this train ride. So on top of like all the other free stuff they're giving out today, we also got these cool t-shirts. University City, which is the area that we are in, and the saying, come on, ride that train. That's pretty cool. And then I like the hashtag on the back. It says, love my U City. Yay. Choo-choo train? What sound does the choo-choo train make? All right, good job. Look, Taylor.
What's that?
See it?
Oh.
Riding on a train.
Are we moving yet? Is it moving? Is it moving?
First timer.
Yeah, on a train.
Yeah.
Going fast or slow?
Fast.
Taking off the train about 12 hours. We are uptown Charlotte. About 10 stops.
I know. How long was that ride?
I don't know. I want to say it was about 20
minutes.
20 minutes. But the drive would have been about 25, 30 depending.
Yeah,
on
and then yeah, the traffic.
And then this brings you right in. Don't have to find anywhere to park.
Yep. I think it's pretty nice.
Where? Taylor started getting kind of restless. Probably because she couldn't see out the window.
Yay.
We're gonna find some.
Look, now what? Now what?
I mean,
So,
not playing this.
no, we did not plan this out, you all. I forgot that it was St. Patrick's Day until we got in the car and saw everybody in green.
Then we were on the train,
And
the lady told us where it was
a
going to
parade.
be, and we just so happened to be going to where it was going to be.
So,
It worked out perfect.
ran into a St. Patrick's Day parade. Oh, look at, I saw them on TV yesterday. They were really good. So we decided to come to this place here, Mert. And
Somebody's hungry.
who? You?
Both
You?
of us, but
You? Are you hungry? Really? So yeah, we're about to order, and we've been here before though. It was good the last time we came, so hopefully it'll be good today. Alright y'all, so this is what it looks like. I got salmon cakes, mac and cheese, collard greens. Oh, thank you. And yams. You have mac and I grab you on anything? You okay?
I think we're good right now. Thank you.
Oh wait, Taylor probably before. Chicken tenders. What is that? Mac and cheese. Mashed potatoes. And Ty had a taste for breakfast food. We got some grits, eggs, and cakes. Are you about to eat, Taylor?
The Southern girl that got me on grits.
Yes.